So I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I first started recording music the summer after my junior year of high school. I just kind of came up with this idea of Mari World. And I feel like getting that website, getting my domain, it was all essential to creating something that was tangible, something that people could connect to.
You would think, based on the website and the way it looks, and the customer service experience, that there's just a bunch of people working over there, but it's us too.
As architects and designers, we gravitated towards the more beautiful one. So we chose Squarespace because it represented, I think, our approach internally, both in public supply and in studio tech, to create beautiful things.
In the midst of the social media age, it's a lot of saturation. So you gotta make sure that whatever you put out is clean cut. You gotta make sure it looks good. They gotta be digestible. That's exactly why I got my Squarespace page. Because when everybody sees it, they're like, yo, what company designs your page, you know what I mean?
The website became a bigger part of how I was developing my brand, and Squarespace was just the best way to create a simple website for myself that had the functionalities I needed. And I built the site in like 2 days, and it was the immediacy of it was just so incredible. It was really fulfilling for myself to just make a change and then see it online.
It was me and my manager, we were up at 3 a.m. on a work night trying to finish up the website. How are we gonna place the booklet, the digital booklet on the site? How are we gonna put the SoundCloud playlist? What needs to go where? And it was that shining moment of self-sufficiency.
At the onset of a small business, it's really helpful to be able to use Squarespace and take those funds that you would allocate to creating a custom website and put it elsewhere. So I think that really kind of helped us get our feet wet with doing other things and know that our website was kind of taken care of.
I think starting a business is a lot of fear, right, about what you can do, if you can do it. And with Squarespace, it alleviates many of those fears. There's never a concern about is something going to work or function. And for us to sort of let that go and let you guys take care of it, it allows us to do things that help grow the company.
We get a lot of inquiries on our website as well, so it's a great way for people that have inquiries about renting the space, or they lost something, or they're looking for jobs, and they reach out, and it literally just all filters into me.
There are neon makers out there, but we really make it accessible to your average person to buy.
And with the sort of ease of uploading image, pricing, shipping on the Squarespace backend, we can push product now in a matter of days as opposed to weeks. We would have to be a year or two ahead of our own schedule.
I just think when you have a digital presence, have a digital footprint, you never know who you can run into. You never know how the music is going to connect with people.
On the mobile, I use the analytics, and you guys have really beefed up the analytics offerings this past, I guess in the last few months.
We see the impressions and the visits spiking up when we're putting out a lot of content. So it's telling us what we need to do and exactly what's driving the traffic.
I also think it's nice to be part of a community, so that if there's issues going on or something's happening, there's a place to call, or another customer who might be having the same sort of situation, rather than kind of feeling like you're on an island, which can be a lot of starting a new business.
The cover pages, because every time we have a giveaway or something like that, we just go ahead and make a whole new mini site because it's so easy, and it makes it a lot more fun.
Yeah, I feel like every time, the second we wish there was a feature or a product, there's the next day, you guys have already anticipated that.
And you guys are doing amazing things, and you're making my life very much easier and adding so much to my brand and to my business. And so thank you, and just keep it up.
Just thank you. Yeah, it made our lives easier and more beautiful, and yeah, it's awesome.
Let's build, fam.